Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Rake ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nam ya ka jing shakri ka jongka. Baden ais ngo bha sha baro kinong thi thuk thuk. Ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali ki laptop. Kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hotari unai lur 8000 ar pusau.
Ka Sorkar Jilla ka penyotrik unai lur ajar pusau kalum jinglang kirki yaki officer nakatrat pulit yaki boss in charge of East Khasi Hills badikri Boy district berkumjuru ke Central Puja Committee menyetir tai sani tang syuk jingtip bu suami Avimukteshwaranand Saraswati nuan chanong ba Shillong daga lingsun keban sahir ha Shillong airport daga pratrik unai lur ajar pusau. Hakaji keran bekilat pathai kubor Chief Secretary ke Jilla ba Donald P Walang uliat ho baka Sorkar klashim ya karai ban Phah daga jingtho Shaki Airport Authority of India ban Khanglad ba banom aila daga lingsun ke bekit yu suami Avimukteshwaranand Saraswati ban hiar haka lingsun hakashnong umroi nomor ba shim lapan jingbet berwan chanong ba Shillong ban pinlong ya yatra haka atrik urisau alajar phusau kabla pinmi ke jing persya ke bajur nagi kinhon ba pher ba nagi pat ba no shnong ke Jilla. Haga Jokapor Chief Secretary oleh tho buat nakalyang jang Central Puja Committee ru kam sngoy hap satya Yuswami Avimukteshwaranand Saraswati ban Khanglad yek jing shodo yakamasi.
So we had a high level meeting just now in which I chaired a meeting with the DG of Police as well as the district authorities of both Boy district as well as East Khasi Hills and the Home Department officials. We have received information that there is a likelihood of some elements trying to land tomorrow in Umroi Airport and also taking a rally in the name of protecting the cow and also for ensuring that cow slaughter is banned in the country. They have not taken any permission for any rally. They have not taken any permission for staging any sort of protests. But we have just received that there's a possibility of a chartered flight landing tomorrow in Umroi. We have assessed the situation all around both Boy district after consulting the Deputy Commissioner as well as consulting the district authorities of Shillong. Shillong in East Khasi Hills, section 144, which is now section 1363 of the BNSS, has already been promulgated, prohibiting any sort of rally and meetings. And likewise, Boy district is also following on the same pattern. And to ensure that there is no escalation of law and order in the state, as well as in the district of Boy district, as well as East Khasi Hills, we have decided that we will write from the government to the airport authority to deny them landing facilities for the flight tomorrow. So that is the decision we have taken into consideration. And we have had consultation also with the Central Puja Committee. They have stated very unequivocally that 2nd of October is a very important day in the Puja celebrations. It's the starting of their festivity, and they don't subscribe at all as local stakeholders over here to what this rally is all about, and they have not rendered any support at all. They are not aware of any rally that is likely to take place, and they have stated very clearly that they do not support it. We have taken the local stakeholders into consideration, and after applying our minds collectively, we have decided that we will write to the airport authority to deny landing. Preventive measures, the police just now we had a meeting with them, and we are setting up whatever preventive steps like nakas and checkpoints in case they try to enter from other points. But as I said, there is no support at all even from the locals over here. The Central Puja Committee has stated very clearly in the meeting that they do not subscribe to the views, and therefore they are not part of it. So I'm not so sure what is the game plan that they have coming all the way from outside. But as far as we're concerned, we are all geared up, and we are aware that there could be some escalation in the law and order front. Therefore, we have prohibited the landing of the chartered flight. So only today in the afternoon that permission has been accorded for landing of the chartered flight. We didn't know who was coming, when they are coming, and there was all speculation. In fact, today morning there was news that they are landing today, which was totally false. So, we don't go for a knee-jerk reaction. We have to get specific information. After getting the information from the airport authorities, then we had this high-level meeting and decided that whatever steps that we are taking, which I have shared with you, only after getting specific inputs, not on the basis of conjecture.